Okay, everyone, this is Chloe. Today she is 10 months old, 10 weeks old, sorry. Okay, she's going to do her tricks. She wants to eat. Shh. Quiet. This is Chloe actually saying please. Okay, sit. 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 That's a good sit. That's a good sit, Mama. Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl. Now say please. There you go. Okay, sit. Sit. Okay, high five. High five. Where's my high five? Where's my high five? There you go. There you go. Okay, sit again. Sit. 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 Good sit. Good sit. Good sit. That's a big chunk. Say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. That was yummy. That was so yummy. Thank you, Mama. Mmm. Good girl.